AngloGold Ashanti is one of several South African companies operating in Guinea. They operate in sectors such as mining, telecoms, banking, agri-processing and construction. Anglo's Siguiri Gold Mine produced 214,000 ounces of the precious metal last year. News of the military coup has sent the company's share price on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange tumbling.
When the news first came out yesterday, clearly there was a lot of concern from the market. The stock was down at some point around 7%. It still closed down. And then today it's down about 0.3%, so a bit better than yesterday, but still, down from when the week started on the back of those news.
Standard Bank and MTN also have a presence in the West African country.
There is some exposure for the banks, the likes of Standard Bank, for example. There is, to some limited extent, for the mobile network operators, the MTNs. But as a percentage of their total business and earnings, that region continues to be very small.
Mashidi says investors are keeping a close watch on the developments in the country following the military coup.
We want to know if the rule of law is going to be upheld. We're not too concerned about who goes into power and how they'll go in, but it's more once they're in, will the rule of law, be applied? Are the assets in those countries going to be safe, especially private, assets? And to the extent that you get an answer that says yes, then it's all good. But when the answer is very questionable and very uncertain, you do see those assets underperforming in terms of how they are looked at from a market point of view.
Guinea is also an important trading partner for South Africa. According to economic data from the United Nations, Guinea imported goods worth around R500 million from South Africa in 2017. They range from machinery, iron and steel, electrical equipment, vehicles, plastics, beverages, tools, implements and even cutlery. Mbongeni Muchwa, SABC News, Johannesburg.